This is my power bank and Raspberry Pi. I use a Raspberry Pi for a dash cam using MotionEye. Then we put the power bank. It's a camera in my own house. Here is the driving recorder I bought before, but the dash cam doesn't work. We found the USB port for the camera. Then plug this USB port into our Raspberry Pi before turning on the power. Now I'm plugging in. It is inconvenient to record when plugging in. After plugging in, put the speedster in this space on the left. Then plug its power into our power bank. So the catalyst faction starts to work. Its battery is 20,000 mAh, can last all day. Now I'm sharing hotspots through my phone. Then the Raspberry Pi connects to my hotspot, form an intranet. Then I can access it through the app. This is a motional video. The viewing angle of the current shot. It's still connecting because the two-door school has just started. Let's take a look at the effect after connecting. Loading now. Now this one has grass and trees. That's where my camera is shooting. Then we click his button. You can check his history. I set a video to be saved every 10 minutes. Every video is about 8 GB in size. It's easy to play back. Here's me taking the Raspberry Pi from the car to my house. Then connect to the local address. Let's log in and take a look. Because of my camera, it's already fixed to our car. So there is no camera now, but you can still see its presence. Let's click. Then here's the archive going on. Loading now. We find one. 1.2 GB. So let's click on this. Yes, it needs to be loaded slowly. See when he can play. No, we will change it here and you can download it directly. So let's open it up and have a look. You can see this video. There is an obvious card. Because I set it to 720, the frame rate is 720p. The frame rate is 30. Then this motional, it has one big drawback. That is, it only has video and no sound. From the system, it does not support simultaneous entry of sound. This is a big problem for me at the moment. Not resolved yet. Then it was originally used as a home camera security. I use it as my own dash cam. Because of my car in front, I already bought a driving recorder. But he can only record on a 1-minute loop. It's no use recording 5 1-minute parts. Okay, that's it for today's video. This is about my song Sect. The DIY process of making a driving recorder. If you think it's good, remember to like, follow, and comment.